Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a couple weeks ago on Instagram, Mom sent me a message, or she shared a post with me from Olay saying like, get free samples of products. So I did it and she did it too, and it just came in the mail. Here it is. So it's just a little envelope and there's just like 3 little products in it. So I thought I would just try them out and give my first impression on them. Inside the envelope, it has like the steps listed below. So step 1, cleanse away dirt, oil, and makeup with daily facials, which is this packet. And I'm assuming it looks like it's a dry cloth. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleaning. Smooth skin as it cleans with soft fiber polishers. Replenish skin's natural hydration as you clean. So it says to wet cloth and massage in hands to activate into a luxurious lather. Cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for final rinse. I'll be back. I'm going to go wet this down. So I'm back. It's wet. My hands are kind of soapy now. And as you can see, I still have a full face of makeup on. It's kind of worn off as the day has gone on. I've been kind of busy today, so it kind of wore off. But so it says, so I wet the cloth and I massaged it in my hands and made it real lathery and soapy. And so it says, cleanse face thoroughly. It feels like a one-step product for washing your face. And it seems like it'd be a really good, like, travel product because you don't have to bring a whole bag of, or a whole bottle of face wash. So this kind of seems like a 3-in-1 type deal because it's a wipe and it, like, is soapy and it wipes everything away, I guess. Supposed to wet it down again. Then reuse cloth for final rinse. I'll be right back. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but I just went and I like rinsed it out and squeezed it out, and I feel weird like putting it back on my face now that it has all this makeup in it. I don't know, it doesn't feel too sanitary to use this to wash your face. I mean, my skin looks pretty clean. It looks pretty glowy. Not glowy. It doesn't look dull. That's what I'll say. So the next step is to treat tired eyes with deep hydrating eye gel. Use morning and evening on cleansed skin. Place a small amount around the eye areas, under eye, outer corners, and eyelids, and smooth in until thoroughly absorbed. Okay, so it's very clear. It looks like, based on the picture, like it's gonna be blue, but it's very clear. Good thing too, because my eyes have been so dry and like they're starting to wrinkle. Smooth it onto my cheeks maybe. Do the same thing on the other eye. Oh wow, that dried down fast. I'm just gonna take whatever's left of this and just like rub it all over, I guess. It doesn't really smell like anything. Step 3. It is moisturized with a light as air finish with Regenerist Whip, fragrance free. This is not a sponsored video. It's not. No one would sponsor me. Cute. It says feeling is believing. Do they all have little messages like that? This one says tired, dehydrated eyes, and that one says nothing. Cool. So just this one. Feeling is believing. Smooth moisturizer evenly over your cleansed face. One doesn't want to spread very well. Oh, that side's much better. Drag it down on my neck a little bit. I feel like I gotta be doing this like they do in like the ads, you know? But how do they even do it in like commercials? Now I got a little bit to dab under my eyes and my T-zone on my eyelids. My eyes have been so dry, so I'm just gonna like my face definitely feels a little tacky. I don't think my eyes loved the eye whip thing. I don't know, I guess we'll see. The sample size, like, you can't decide how you like something after just one use. So, like, I can see how they're like, oh, just, like, how it's a good marketing strategy, but, like, let's just zoom you in and let you take a nice look at my face. See all this acne? This could be yours, too, if you want to go through teenage years again. Here's a real close-up. There's a very subtle glow going on. Okay, that has been it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment with any suggestions or questions that you may have. Thanks. Have a great day. Maybelline.